What's AIRY flow? What you can learn from this content. 1. The target customers. Recommended for those who wish to make their hard-to-manage, unruly hair waviness easy to manage. 2. Product features and usage. AIRY Flow is a hair care line which reforms the cross-sectional shape of naturally wavy strands from the inside with the power of heat. It is formulated with proprietary thermal flow motion system, which uses the heat from hair irons and hair dryers to create flowing hair that moves freely and is beautiful from the core. AIRY Flow realizes manageable hair that is easy to style, with 2 types to choose from based on the preferred finish and volume. AIRY Flow line consists of shampoo, treatment, and mask, and leave-in treatments. The treatment, mask, and leave-in treatment come in 2 types to address different hair concerns. The treatment and mask come in 2 types, for unruly hair and for thick unruly hair, which can be selected based on the preferred finish and volume. There are also 2 kinds of leave-in treatments to be used for each type. AIRY Flow Shampoo for unruly hair. Remove impurities with a rich lather, leaving hair airy and easy to manage by controlling the unruly waviness. Tips on how to use the product. First, rinse off impurities from the scalp and hair surface with lukewarm water. Then, spread the shampoo through the entire hair and wash with the pads of the fingers, moving in circular motion from the face line to the back of the head. Rinse thoroughly so that no shampoo residue remains. AIRY Flow Treatment for unruly hair. Reforms the cross-sectional shape of naturally wavy strands and softens hair from the core. Also uses the heat of the hairdryer to enhance the ease of styling, making hair airy, bouncy, and easy to manage. AIRY Flow Treatment for thick, unruly hair. Reforms the cross-sectional shape of naturally wavy strands and softens hair from the core. Also uses the heat of the hairdryer to enhance the ease of styling, making hair smooth and easy to manage with controlled volume. Tips on how to use the product. The treatment is used after the shampoo. Work into the entire hair starting from the damaged ends, leave for a while, and then rinse off. When towel drying, remove water from the hair by pressing with a towel. Avoid rubbing and creating friction. You can further enhance the ease of styling by applying the heat of the hairdryer well on the strands. AIRY Flow Mask for unruly hair. Replenishes hair-reforming ingredients deep inside the hair and reforms the cross-sectional shape of naturally wavy strands with the heat of the hair iron. A special treatment which maintains hair that is airy, bouncy, and easy to manage by protecting it from the effects of humidity. AIRY Flow Mask for thick, unruly hair. Replenishes hair-reforming ingredients deep inside the hair and reforms the cross-sectional shape of naturally wavy strands with the heat of the hair iron. A special treatment which maintains hair that is smooth and easy to manage by controlling volume and protecting it from the effects of humidity. Tips on how to use the product. The mask will be used 1 to 2 times a week in place of the treatment. Work into the hair focusing on the ends and leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse off. After towel drying, dry well. Then use the hair iron, set at 180 degrees Celsius, to reform the hair's cross-sectional shape and set the heat-repaired effects in place. Just by drying your hair with a hairdryer on the night of using the mask, the repaired effects can be realized again with the heat of the hair iron when you style your hair the following morning. AIRY Flow Refining Fluid for unruly hair. Leave-in treatment. A light milky type leave-in treatment blends well into hair without getting sticky and protects hair from damage caused by dryness and the heat of hair irons to make hair soft, airy, and easy to manage. Tips on how to use the product. With the hair in towel-dried condition, take an appropriate amount of treatment onto the palm and spread it on both palms, on the fingertips, and in between the fingers. Then work into the hair, focusing on the ends. For an even more airy finish, take hair before it is completely dry and lightly twist the ends as you apply heat from the hairdryer for a few seconds. Then keep the strands twisted while cooling them down. AIRY Flow Sheer Oil for thick, unruly hair. Leave-in treatment. A light oil-type leave-in treatment coats the strands with a smooth texture to protect hair from damage caused by dryness and hair irons while maintaining the hair's smooth finish and the strand's cross-sectional shape reformed by the heat of the hair iron. Tips on how to use the product. With the hair in towel-dried condition, take an appropriate amount of treatment onto the palm and spread it on both palms, on the fingertips, and in between the fingers. Then work into the hair, focusing on the ends. The smooth-feeling finish will be further enhanced if you use a hair iron. After blow-drying the hair completely, use a hair iron that is set at 180 degrees Celsius. Fragrance. A sweet, fresh fragrance of fruits and flowers in bloom, with a hint of deep Earl Grey as the accent. 3. Sublimic Common Technologies in AIRY Flow. 1. Hair Reforming Technology. We focused on the fact that hair with damage has dents or distortions in the strand's cross-sectional shape. Our proprietary hair reforming technology corrects the distorted shape of each individual strand. This technology is used in all sublimic treatments as well as all sublimic masks other than adenovital. 2. Triple layer microcoating. 3 layers of thin film coat the hair surface and protect the hair from external factors such as friction, sebum, and humidity to make the effects of the treatment long-lasting. This technology is used in all sublimic masks. 4. Thermal flow motion system. By focusing on the inner structure of hard-to-manage hair due to unruly waviness, as well as the hair care routine using heat and external factors such as humidity, proprietary thermal flow motion system realizes long-lasting hair control by using the heat of hair irons and hair dryers that we use every day. Mask and treatment reform the strand's cross-sectional shape with the power of heat. Sheer oil maintains the strand's cross-sectional shape reformed by the hair iron and makes the smooth finish last a long time. Hair with unruly waviness has distortions inside the strand, making it hard to manage. Even if the hair is styled and straightened, it will not remain straight for long. The mechanism and effects are: 1. Makes hair soft and easy to manage. Sorbitol fills the inside of strands with moisture to maintain hair that is soft and easy to style. 2. Reforms the strand's cross-sectional shape from the inside with the power of heat. Glyoxylic acid and glycolic acid penetrate inside the strand, and its cross-sectional shape is reformed from the inside by applying the heat of the hair iron or dryer. 3. Enhances smoothness and the ease of styling. With the heat of the hairdryer, PEG 150 makes the hair surface smooth and enhances the ease of styling. 4. Blocks humidity to make the finish long-lasting. Furthermore, phytosterol macadamiate evenly coats the hair surface. It protects hair from the effects of humidity to maintain the strand's reformed cross-sectional shape and make the finished look long-lasting. To maximize the effects of the thermal flow motion system, customers should use products from the same line. Summary: AIRY Flow is recommended for those who wish to make their hard-to-manage, unruly hair waviness easy to manage. AIRY Flow is available in 2 types depending on hair condition. AIRY Flow's unique thermal flow motion system utilizes the heat from a hair iron or hair dryer to maintain the condition of the hair for an extended period.